Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove background from an image in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to remove background from an image. At first, insert the image. Go to the insert menu. Picture option, click this device. Then choose your image. Now I am select the image and click insert. Now you can see here a flower image. Now we want to remove the background of the flower image. Go to the picture format menu. Select remove background option and wait some moment. We can see here automatically selected the background of the image. Now I am select keep change option and we can see we remove the image background easily. Now we can see the image background is transparent. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.